Uzurv App Review. Is it legit or a scam? So Uzurv is a transportation app focused on EDA accessible and non-emergency medical rides aimed at assisting seniors, people with disabilities, and those needing door-to-door scheduled transports. It also offers features like ride booking, real-time tracking, and live support. So science that it's legit is it has a high app ratings with up to 4.8 stars on iOS and a lot of installs in Android. They also have a positive rider review, which highlight the smooth booking and dependable drivers. And they have some business legitimacy, which is founded in 2017. However, it comes with red flags and cautions, so the driver and employee complaints have been recently discussed. And they also have a mixed driver experience, and they have potential regional inconsistencies. So some areas may struggle with limited ride availability. So what users appreciate about it is the friendly design. They also have a reliable schedule and tracking, and they have caring and qualified drivers. However, it comes with major complaints. They have inconsistent driver experience, they also have a limited app access, and the customer support has gaps. So is it legit? Well, yes, it is a legitimate operational EDA focused ride app backed by real world usage, transit partnerships, and positive rider reviews.